Superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, is set to walk out of jail after being granted bail in the drugs on cruise case. Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha were granted bail on Thursday after they served 3 weeks at Mumbai's Arthur Road jail. All three were arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau on October the 3rd. Aryan Khan got bail from the High Court after his bail application was earlier rejected by both the Magistrate Court and the Special NDPS Court. On Friday, the Bombay High Court released the 5-page bail order. The jail authorities took around 45 minutes to 1 hour to complete the formalities, and due to the slight delay in signing his release papers, Aryan Khan will walk out on Saturday. In the bail order, the Bombay High Court has listed several conditions, which are: each of the applicants shall execute PR bond of ₹1 lakh with one or more sureties in the like amount. The accused shall not indulge in any activity similar to the activities on the basis of which the said CR stands registered against them for offences under the NDPS Act. The accused shall not try to establish communication with co-accused or any other person involved directly or indirectly in similar activities. The applicants shall not undertake any action which is prejudicial to the proceedings before the special court. The applicants, neither personally or through anyone, shall make attempts to influence witnesses or tamper with evidence. The applicants shall surrender their passport to the special court immediately. The applicant shall not make any statement regarding the proceedings pending before the court in front of media. The accused shall not leave the country without prior permission from the special judge for NDPS at Greater Mumbai. If the applicant has to go out of Greater Mumbai, they shall inform the investigating officer and shall also submit the itinerary to the investigating officer. The applicant shall attend the NCB Mumbai office on each Friday between 11 am and 2 pm to mark their presence. The applicant shall attend all dates in the court unless prevented by any reasonable cause. The applicant shall join the investigation as and when called upon to do so before the authorities of NCB. Once the trial begins, the applicant shall not in any manner try to delay the trial. And if the applicant violates any of these terms, the NCB shall be entitled to straightaway apply to the special judge or court for cancellation of their bail.